Well, as screwed up as this corner is, it's much better than it normally is. I bought a couple of things. One is a maintenance thing for this van. Here, reach up here. I have a small coolant leak and I can't really track it down. I have pretty good faith that it is not an issue with a block, a bad block, and because oh great man, I really screwed that up. Turn this over. Got to make sure you turn this thing over the right way. Put these back in. And this is a pressure tester so I can put on my radiator. Pump it up a little bit. See if I can track down that leak. And like I said, I got pretty good faith that it's not leaking into the engine block or anything like that, because when I check the oil, it's not soupy and it's clear. I've changed the oil pretty frequently lately because I did some maintenance that required an oil change. So we'll see how that works. So that's one of the things I've got. Then I'm going to show a stupid purchase I made. First thing I got to do is get this thing open. Let's see if I can. Well, what did I do here? This is a pain in the butt to get this thing closed. There it is. Think. There we go. There you go. Now, slide these together. Put it back here. Those are boxes. Put it back here. And put it on top of these boxes I use for shipping out some things I sell from time to time. I need to go put those in my storage. Over here, I haven't taken it out of the box yet. That's a Coleman sleeping bag, 0 degree mummy bag. Extra tall. I'm 6'2.5", 6'3", but I like to have a little room, and if I use that when it begins to get real cold, which is only usually a couple of months, January, February. February is usually the coldest month, I've heard, but me it's always been January, but I will assume the statistics are correct. Now, the mistake I made was I keep a little bit of, and I still have a small container of pepper spray in here. You see what's wrong with this? It's inert. It's a training unit. Don't know how I fumble fingered and ordered this, but I'm going to ship it back to Amazon. I ordered a couple of cans of Frontiersman. That time I read the label and got the right stuff. Can't believe I did that. In any case, I can't think of a lot more I need to do. This place is pretty clean compared to what it normally is. I don't have the cover or sheet I use on this yet. Oh, well, I have it. I just haven't put it on and gotten it down. So I'll be in here quite a bit over the next couple of 3 weeks. I guess that's basically it. I'm also, I have these little racks and they're secured down. The one back there is not secured very well, so I'm going to have to take a look at that. And I'm also going to have to make sure this one's secured better. Of course, when the car is rolling, nobody's back here. But I still want this better secured. In any case, that's all I've got. I'll be back with more band stuff, and I still got some more product reviews and camera reviews to do. I just really haven't had time. It's been really hectic the last couple of months, really. Anyway, I'll talk to you later.